Here with SirMaloPerformance. Today we're working on Project Redemption. So I've been having a little bit of issues with this truck. Minor things, nothing crazy. A little bit of a ticking problem. Rocker arms were all good. An exhaust leak, could be a lifter or two. Again, I'm testing a prototype. I'm actually going to call the cam Redemption. It would be like a stage 1 cam. Another issue that I've had with this truck is when I turn it on, our oil pressure sending unit pegs. So I'm not going to turn it on. I need it to cool down because I got to rip off the driver's side valve cover because it's leaking. Last night I took it off to check all the rocker arms, put it back in. I'm sure I mismounted it. I'll put the new valve cover gasket on the driver's side for now. But you see how that pegs wide open to 80? When I turn it on, idles, it's pegged out like that. No matter what, the signal is pegged out above 80 psi. So what I'm going to do today, and that's what this video is going to pertain to, is if you're having this issue, hopefully fixing the issue would just be replacing the oil pressure sensor. Okay, oil pressure sensor. I'm going to go ahead and click this down. See how it comes down. When we take it off, you know, after a while it does come back down to 0. But right now it's just chilling there, right? Everything else is pegged down to 0. We go back up. We're going to turn on the truck. We fire it up. It gives me that. The whole check oil level. It's because I've been spilling oil everywhere. I had to run to Harbor Freight. Get a sanding disc because I'm gonna work on some wheels here. I gotta fix out some wheels. I'm gonna be working on this side. This whole coil pack situation needs to come off. I gotta replace the gasket. Your oil pressure sending unit is on the back side of the manifold onto the block. Okay. Let's just keep it simple. From 99 to 2007 classic 4.8, 5.3, 6.0. Your oil pressure sending unit is going to be on the back. V6, different location. Bigger V8s could possibly be in a different location as well. All right, just give me a couple moments, and when I'm back, we should have all this funny situation off all over again. Are you kidding me? It's dead?
Dead. It's D-E-D.
Dead.
Dead. I feel like I spelled that wrong for a second. I was like D-E, and then I was like, wait. Oh yeah, D. Dead. Alright.
D-E-D. Dead. Alrighty guys, so again we're working on Project Redemption. We're trying to get that oil pressure switch. Alright, so right now, that's your oil pressure sending unit. That's the clip. That's the style of clip, just so you guys can see the view. The one next to it is the cam position sensor. Alright, Gen 4s, it's in the front. Gen 3s in the back. Alright, now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to put my socket on there. Alright, there's the socket. I'm just going to put my ratchet on there. Break it loose to the left. Alright, make sure your ratchet's turning to the left. And we should be good to roll. Grab my new oil pressure switch. Again, by AutoZone. So that pressure switch is PS340, pressure sensor switch. Alrighty, oil pressure. And this is the OG one. Alright, so this is the one that I've had for a while now, and it doesn't work. So let's go ahead and holy crap and drop the box. This is for the V6, and then just the V8 models, you just put that on there because that's how mine was installed. I just put that unit on there. There's nothing else. Alrighty. Sounds good? Alright. Please be sure to like and subscribe because I just went through that for you guys. So save yourself the headache. First I'm going to do it by hand. And then I'll go in there and then I'll take it.
Or do I? Where do I record? Because I can't see that.
No, it's okay. Alright guys, so I'll let you know when I'm done. I ended up installing my valve cover gasket with the grommet seals for the bolts that hold down the valve cover. And I did the driver's side. Everything is now put back together, so I had to hurry up and work. We got the new oil pressure switch. Man, I'm having such a hard time with that whole tongue twister. So finish up the valve cover gasket. Hopefully it sticks on. Hopefully everything's good. Hopefully no leaks. That way I'm not making puddles in front of a Harbor Freight again. But man, was there a mess this morning. So this was all like covered up in oil. Let me see. A la madre. I'm gonna hold you guys by hand. So all this was covered up in oil all the way up there. You guys can see the whole bottom. Sorry, but
I was just trying to give you light.
Yeah, and then all the transmission, everything. All that was
all covered up in oil. It was all falling from the valve cover gasket, which then translated fell all on my exhaust right here. Damn, that works way better. Yeah, so thank you, Alonzo, for the light. Yeah, but all that was just oozing oil. And again, full stock exhaust on this bad boy. Man, if I would have had some long tube headers or something, all that heat, I would have caught fire by now. I wouldn't have made it. No way. No way, no how. All right, so moment of truth. All right, Alonzo, let me give you that. Give you that. Sorry about that. All right, I'm gonna leave this light on here. But yeah, only one way to find out if it's gonna keep leaking or not. So, all right, let's get inside Project Redemption. Move the wallet over. I installed the fold-down seat on this truck, which is very nice. Very nice. Okay, very nice. Okay. Make sure the alarm's not on this bad boy. Woo, it's not. A Viper alarm, ladies and gentlemen. And if the alarm ain't enough, that 40 caliber bullet will sure slow them down. All right, let me turn this down. Sound system down. I'll just shut it off. All right, so again, when we would key it on, damn it, boy. So remember how it would peg all the way up, guys? Yes, it's gonna say check oil level. I'm sure it is low from all the oil I spilled. All right, please, baby, let's go. Yes, sir. I have oil pressure. Yes. Look at that.
Actually, idles a lot more better now you plug that thing back in.
Yeah, because it was missing cylinder number. Number 2. Yeah, it idles a lot more smoother. Dude, yes sir. Look at that. I got oil pressure. That high volume pump sitting at 40. It should come back down a little bit. It should be idling around like 37, 38. So, but I'm happy. I finally got an oil pressure reading. Sweet baby. Yes. Alrighty, no check engine lights, no funny business. It should get up to temp here in a little bit. But yes sir, damn, it's a good feeling. It's a great feeling actually. So what's gonna be next for Project Redemption? It's gonna be a transmission rebuild. This NV3500s, they're not built to withstand nothing. But we gotta rebuild it and learn. We should do a walk around. Alright, stock exhaust, stock everything, except for the cam. It's a prototype. Stage 1, it's gonna be a stage 1 redemption cam. That's what I'm gonna call it, by SirMaloPerformance. As you guys saw, stock cads, stock white pipe, stock muffler.
It is cold outside.
It is cold outside. Yeah, it's dumping smoke because of the O-rings. The piston rings are fried. Yes, sir. There's my hanger. My C-notch. You guys can't really see it. And then I got the 2-inch on the back. Yes, sir. Oh, and when you get on it, it sounds good. So I'll try to do some pulls. I got to swap out those wheels.
There's some tires on this.
Yeah. No, those, and then this is Project Nightmare, guys. So if you guys haven't been following SirMaloPerformance, again, a bunch of videos to come. So that's Project Nightmare. This is Project Redemption. Project Muertos at my house. And I have another one. The OBS.
I like that one.
The OBS? No, yeah, right. You wish. Keep wishing. Well, it can be yours. It can be yours.
The low price of $20,000. That's what you want.
$20,000. Yeah. Well, after I'm done with it, hell yeah. And if you guys want to buy Project Nightmare, I mean, this one will be for sale pretty soon. But yeah, this one's gonna go out. We're building it. It's a V6, 5-speed, just like this one. But we swapped this one with the V8. This one I'm just gonna keep as a V6. I'm very tempted to lift it, or I can just leave it stock. I might just put these little stock wheels, these ones, on that one with a little bit of more all-terrain tire, put a 2-inch lift on the front, and call it a day. I haven't had a lifted vehicle before, but maybe, I don't know. Still got the lift, like a 2-inch.
6-inch lift.
6-inch? I've seen them. That's it.
No, but we should go with the Tahoe though. A Tahoe.
A Tahoe. Yeah, all right, we can try. But this one, I feel like we're still indecisive.
Like
we're still filming.
Like the Z71.
Drop some comments below. I think like a 2-inch on the front.
It's like the
that way you can leave
lift.
the stock in the back, and then you could still tow stuff.
The 2-inch lift, and then it's the all-terrain tires, like the stock all-terrain tires.
We can do a stock all-terrain tire.
Buy new rims.
Or buy new rims. Alrighty guys, so Project Nightmare is a freaking nightmare. Dubbed, that's why it's called Project Nightmare. It is a pain. But that's, yeah, I'm telling you, door panels and whatnot, all the
I'm
overspray.
currently cleaning it up. so
We're
don't say
cleaning it. We gotta. I'm telling you, this is a true project.
that.
Look at that. Sheesh.
That's
Good job. Yeah, we gotta clean up all the overspray. Yeah, I know, guys. Project Nightmare. It's a total disaster. I'm super sorry for ranting. I know the video's about an oil pressure sending unit, but those are my projects right now that I'm really working on. So these two, bada bing, bada boom. That's what it is. Alrighty, guys. Until then, take care, guys. Peace.